Hello friends, welcome my channel. Welcome to this video. Today I will share my experience with the AOMEI backup solution. Everyone, we have lot of important data with your laptop or with your desktop, so we need to keep it safe using the backup solution. Today I will share my experience with the one of the backup solution. Its name is AOMEI Backup. It is very user friendly and the price is very low. Let's talk about the AOMEI backup solution. Thank you, Crystal, for your request, and thanks to AOMEI team for providing me the AOMEI Backupper Professional key for lifetime. So, friend, let's jump to the main video. I have using long time for the AOMEI standard edition. It is a free version, but I have this version also lot of feature. You can use it, but the professional version has the different feature and lot of feature include, and the price is also low, so you can try it. If you want, you can try with the trial version. I will share the link for the download. You can try it. If you're satisfied, you can buy it. So let's check the feature difference from the standard and the professional version. There are another some version like workstation, server, technical or technical plus, but today I will talk about only the professional version. So let us start. So friend, here is the different version of in the AOMEI Backupper solution. So here is the standard version, that is the free one. This is the professional version. This is the workstation version. This is the server edition. You can take backup with the server version. This is the technician versions, and the last one for the technical plus. The standard version is so friend, here is the standard version is full completely free. It's a freeware, and professional version is 49.95. I am talking about the professional version, and workstation server is technical version, and technical plus is the different price. If you want, you can buy, or if you try first, you can use the free trial from here. Just click here and install and see the how the different feature is available. So let compare the feature is available standard and professional. So let's start. So let's check the how the different the feature in available in the professional version rather than standard. The standard is there is no price, is freeware, and the professional version is the one PC, one license for lifetime. The technical support only for the free version for the business hour only, and if you buy the professional version, it will give you support 24/7. The version of Windows support from 7 to 11, all versions support by the Backupper solution. It's for the standard and the professional as well. But the standard version of professional does not support the any server edition. Then come to the point, task execution speed. For the standard, it is is by speed also standard, and if you buy the professional, it is faster. It is business use, not for the because the standard and professional only for the professional user only. They are not for in the business. And portable code toolkit, no, it is not support standard and professional as well. So this is the backup area. How can we take the backup? The both of versions support file backup, system backup, disk backup, and partitions backup. I will show you later on how we could backup by the software AOMEI Backup solution. And automatic backup is both of versions, standard and professional support, like automatic, incremental, and sector by sector. Also support both versions is support. If you take a backup locally in the in your system, it is possible. If you want to take a backup to external disk, it is also possible. If you want to take a USB backup, it is also possible. The standard and professional version has support your keep your data in the different place like NAS, like another storage, or if you want, you can store your backup in the cloud like OneDrive or G Drive or any other cloud solution. Now the backup to the DVD or CD. So friend, if you want to keep your data safe, you can keep very important data. You can keep your data in DVD or CD because it is very safe. You can keep your data backup with your any other media like DVD or CD, but standard version doesn't support. Professional version support keep your data in CD or DVD. Backup is very important feature in the professional version. Let's say you have take your backup whole backup your laptop in the different place, and there is a storage limitation as well. You want to keep only the last 10 days backup before the before any 11 number 12 number, all the backup will delete automatically. Let's move on. The next feature is called the differential backup. That's when you have take the full backup one time. After that, you it will take only the new or additional change backup will add in the your backup. Next feature is also the, but this differential backup and all the backup scheme is does not support in the standard version. You see, next feature is the backup dynamic disk. Standard version doesn't support the dynamics disk backup, but professional is support dynamic disk backup. Next, move on the encrypt backup. The professional version will take your data with encrypt. You know that every day we are facing a lot of virus and malware and ransomware. So standard version doesn't support the encrypt version. So professional version does support this encrypt backup. Like in description, we can say you have to take the backup in a different place. It is also good, but somehow it is infected by the virus. But your data will be safe because your data already encrypted is not possible to attack by any virus. Next is the split backup image. Standard version support only partially, and professional version will support complete support with this. Like you have 6 GB image for image in your, we have to take backup. You have 4 GB pen drive or some storage. So how you can take your image backup? You can take it using a professional version. You can split this image in a two part. Then you can take two part in the two different storage. When you need to recover this image, you can use both the pen drive for the recovery. Next feature is file filter setting. You can when you sync or take backup, you can exclude special type of file extension. That means you will the backup will not take this type of extension. The standard version doesn't support this feature. This is a very good feature also. Let's move on the sync area. Basic sync is possible for the both version. Verify next feature, verify integrity. That's mean verify your file destination and source in the both of version is support. And syncs deletion also both support, because like if you delete the some file from your source file, it is also delete from your destination file. Mirror sync will support only for the professional version. It is lifetime backup. Two-way sync is support for only the professional, not support in the standard version. That's mean if you change from file from the source, it is also sync. Or if you change some file from your backup area, it will also sync from the source. And real time also the same thing. Standard doesn't support, and professional also support the real time sync. So let's move on the restore area. All the basic restoring support the both version. There is no limitation for the standard and professional. Like next on the dynamic disk restore. Dynamic does not support for the standard, but professional version is support for the dynamic disk restore. Universal restore, it is a very good feature, and it is very useful for your life in the professional life. Like you have to take a backup from your laptop, and you have keep it in a safe position, and or you have all the full backup in the different solution like NAS or any other storage. But bad luck for you, your device is destroyed or it is gone bad, it's not it is not possible to use. It is support the professional version. The backup can be stored in the VM, or either the different type of device, different model or different brand is no issue. You can restore. And last one is very important. The because it is very useful for professional. I already use it. The restore the NTFS permission. That's mean you have create like file service and everything. You have create lot of permission. You have create lot of ACL. You have take the backup from your folder or file sharing. It take your backup with your ACL, with your NTFS permission. When you restore it, your NTFS backup from the other place in the same your environment, it will restore with your same NTFS permissions with your same ACL. It will reduce your admin headache as well, and your operation will smoothly running. So let's move on your cloning system. How the basic and professional partition clone is okay. You can use the same thing. You can clone your partition like C, D to D, and D to you can clone. Partition cloning, that means you can clone any partition to another place, or you can take backup from any drive or any partition, no issue. SSD alignment is very important feature, is very good, useful for you. So let's say you have only 256 GB SSD SSD drive, but you need to clone with another disk size is 500 GB or 1 TB. It will automatically increase the destination partition proportionately. There is no issue, there is no problem, and it will work will very fine, no issue. And the next one is the sector by sector cloning. That's mean if you want, you can clone your disks by sector, or like a C drive or any small area you can take clone, no issue. Both versions support this thing. And next feature is adjust partition size. When you want to clone your drive to the another drive, it is adjust your partition with your destination. Next feature is add unused space. Is support only for the professional. Last point is dynamic disk volume clone. Standard version does not support this dynamic disk clone, volume clone, but professional is do support. So move on the tool area. Standard version can create bootable media. Professional also can create, and there is some other feature, comment backup, compress backup, and is both version is supported. But the explore the image, standard version does not support the explore the image, because it is a freeware recovery environment. It is a very good feature, but the standard does not support this feature. Professional version support this feature. Like your system, you have create the backup, it is regularly taking your backup. Suddenly your system is crashed. This feature will restore your system automatically. Next feature is disk sweep. It is very important. Like you have very important sensitive data in your disk. If you delete your data by deleting your file or shift delete, does not delete your data from your disk. If you use any recovery software, someone recover your data. So if you use the disk sweep, your sensitive data will delete permanently. No one can recover your data. And there is another option, email notification. It is possible set a notification your backup status or any other issue or any other problem is happening during the backup. Standard version support partially, and professional version support fully. But you have to, if you configure your email notification, you have to allow internet for this feature. This is the feature different with the professional and standard, and here you can find the price different for the different version. So if you want, you can try it for a trial. Just you click here and you can download and install. If you're satisfied, and you can buy it. I have already downloaded this version for a trial, and AOMEI team provide me a key for lifetime for the professional. So let's demonstrate the AOMEI backup. So let us start the AOMEI Backupper software. So here is the software, is the backup area. Already talk about the lot of features. So click for new backup. Here is the system backup, already talk. Just you can take the system backup, C, and the boot file and the system file only. You can take this all your system backup from your laptop to another local. You can you use the local sharing path, or you can use your NAS drive as well. So this is the system backup. Next, move on the disk backup. You can take all the disks from your laptop to another place. Last to add, and you here you can select your destination path. You could be the shared drive or the local drive. Next, the partition backup. This is the partition backup. You can take only the one drive, that's been one partition or two partition, just add and select your destination the same way. It's the very important thing. If you have not need to keep all the drive, all the disk, so you can take only the folder or file. Like is just you select your folder from here, just like here, open and select your destination, no issue. Or you can take only single file as well. Just import in file from here, just take here the file and select your destination. No need to keep all the file backup or all the drive from here. Next option is the sync area. That's mean already we have to talk about the different type of sync. So first you can move on the basic sync. You can select a folder, just like here, just open and select the destination area where you can take backup. It will sync automatically your file to the destination easily, no issue. Real-time sync, the same thing, you just select your folder, it will sync your real time. That's mean you, if you change anything, it will change your destination as well. The next option is the mirror sync. Like always keep your file destination is exactly the same. Now select your folder and select your destination. That's so good. That's it. Next is the two-way sync. That's mean if you have select a folder and select your destination as well. Just like it could be a cloud, could be a shared drive, it could be anywhere. It could be the change your source area, it will sync with your destination, or if you change from your destination, it will sync with your source as well. This is the restore area. You can restore your system from your image file that you have already created by the using the software. So now move on the clone. It is very useful feature for the AOMEI Backupper solution. You can clone all the source disks to the destination disks. That's mean if you have the SSD, if you add another SSD in your laptop using a portable device, then all your device disks will copy the destination disk or SSD or any other disk. You can clone on the partition as well. Just you can, if you want, you can clone any partition to the another area. Next, move on the tool. There is lots of tool including the software. Here first option, you can check your laptop is support or Windows 11 or not. You can check from here, and you can create bootable media using this software, and you can explore the image file. I already described only professional can explore the image file, and recovery environment is also support for the professional. Dig sweep only support for a professional, and other all tools can uh, support for the professional. The tool area, you can check your laptop is support Windows 11 or not, or if you can create a creatable book, you can create a bootable media, and you can explore an image that you have already take backup, and some other tool will support for the AOMEI Backupper Professional. So in conclusion, the professional version is very useful for you. You can try it. You can install a trial version first. If you're satisfied, you can buy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time, and thanks for the AOMEI team. And thank Crystal. See you for the next video. Thanks for today. Thanks again.